Why you have no views on TikTok, problem solved. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can fix if you're not getting any views on your TikTok video. Now it might just be that you have uploaded your video on the private mode, or your account is set up on private mode. Now to fix this issue, what you want to do is first open up the TikTok app right here. Once you open up TikTok, what you want to do is tap on the plus icon that you can see. Now if you're trying to upload a video, and here I'll just click quick video right here and then tap on next. Now while you're uploading a post on TikTok, what you want to make sure is at the third option on the screen you can see everyone can view the post. Tap on it and you can see I've set this who can watch this video to everyone. Now make sure it's not on only you. Now if you set this up on only you, no one will be able to view your video and you won't get any views. However, if you set it to watch this video by followers that you follow back, then only your friends that you follow back on TikTok will be able to view video. But if you set it to everyone, every general public or every TikTok user will be able to view the video. So you can set it up as you want, but make sure not to set that up on only you. Now next thing is, if you have set your account to private, then only the users or followers that follow you will be able to view at your video. Now to fix that, what you want to do is on your profile, tap on the three horizontal line icon on the top right corner of your screen and then head into settings and privacy. And here you can see the second option, privacy. Tap on it and make sure this private account option on the top is toggled off. So once you toggle this off, it shall fix the issue and you shall start getting views on your videos. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.